How to invite members on Microsoft Teams for iPhone. To invite a person on Microsoft Teams, tap on the chat button. You will have an invite button on the top. You can invite by email or by link. Also, you can invite a person to a team. To invite a new member to the team, tap on the Teams button from the bottom. Here, tap on the three dots menu near the name of the team. On the menu, tap on Manage Members button. You have on the top the button to add a new person. Tap it. Write the email or the name. You can invite a person as a member or a team. You can invite a person as a member of the team or a guest. Tap Done. An invitation will be sent to the person email. This is how you send an invitation to your team. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.